In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a multi-level list in Microsoft Word, which can immensely help in organizing information and adding a professional touch to your documents. Now let's get started with accessing your existing Word file. Open the desired document where you would like to implement a multi-level list. Having your document ready will enable you to seamlessly follow along and see each step in action. Once you have your Word file open, look towards the top of your screen and locate the Home tab. This tab acts as your command center for many basic formatting options you use regularly. Clicking on it will display a toolbar filled with various icons and options. Keep an eye out for the paragraph group within this tab, as this is where you'll find our focus for today, the multi-level list option. Click on this multi-level list icon and a selection of styles and formats will unfurl before you. Choosing the right style can be crucial depending on your document structure and the complexity of your information. For simplicity, let's start by selecting one of the basic templates most people might opt for when they're first learning to use multi-level lists. This helps ensure clarity and order as you become accustomed to this useful feature. After you've chosen your desired format, you'll notice something quite handy. Your text begins to automatically indent. This is Word's way of offering a visual hierarchy, allowing for primary points to stand out while subordinate details are neatly organized beneath. If you wish to add another layer of indentation for further detail, simply press the Tab key on your keyboard. This action pushes your current line of text deeper, creating a new sublevel within your list. Using the Tab key, you can continue adding layers within your list as many times as needed. This functionality is particularly helpful in drafting documents like reports, proposals, or learning materials, where information naturally forms into subsets. One pro tip here is to use Shift-Tab to quickly move back up a level if you've created an indent by mistake or need to adjust the organization later on. Incorporating multi-level lists not only enhances the visual layout of your document, but also enriches its readability, allowing readers to easily follow your structure and main points. As you get more comfortable with these lists, feel free to explore customizing styles to match personal preferences or document needs better. That's how you create a multi-level list in Word. Simple, efficient, and extremely helpful. Now it's your turn to try it out and see how it can improve your document writing experience. Once you're done exploring, you can save your document with your newly organized content. Whether you're drafting an important business document or a creative writing piece, these lists will serve to keep everything neatly tied together.